I'm Pam Jessup. This is Don Horvath. We're both from Woodbury, Minnesota. And you have anything to add?
No, I work for a financial institution in the cities there, so enjoy that very much. And we're looking to explore more adventures in our life. So we purchased a 2022 Renegade Explorer 40 RV, and we'd seen it obviously on YouTube, and we thought, you know what, that's the coach for us. We've been looking for many years. Seen many different dealerships, many different coaches and things along that line. And when we saw that one, we thought that will suit our needs very, very nicely. So then we started pursuing that adventure. There's a certain level of luxury to it that definitely appeals to us. The fact that it's a bath and a half was very nice.
The safety features, collision mitigation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Adaptive cruise control.
Yeah.
And the fact that it's a Super C also definitely appealed to us as well.
The floor plan is awesome.
Yes, it is.
Just like having the dinette across from the refrigerator and having the TV across from the fireplace, that helps a lot for layout.
We had been looking at Class A's for quite some time. And then I think it was about 2 years ago, roughly, Pam and I had a conversation. I said, I think from a safety perspective, if we consider a Super C, I think that's going to be just a safer environment for us to be traveling in. And we're longtime motorcyclists, so we definitely are the safer type of motorcyclists out on the road than you'll encounter. So we look for safety and amenities and things along that line. So that was a big deal. And as Pam mentioned, the adaptive cruise control and the collision mitigation, those were very big items to us. And for the 40 ERB to have those as standard features, that was very appealing to us.
Yeah, having the engine out in front of us.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, that's a big deal for safety. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Not being right here at the windshield. Yeah.
Yep.
We looked at multiple dealers across the U.S. and time again, we kept hearing IWS in Idaho, IWS in Idaho. They are phenomenal customer service, just support, getting back to, I'm part of a Renegade Owners Facebook group, and just IWS kept coming up. And so we talked to other dealers, and sure enough, like what people said, contacting and getting in touch with sales and support at IWS was very simple. And just them getting back to us was very simple and fast. So,
and I mean, obviously this is a very large purchase, and from my aspect, started watching the videos and saw Chuck do the videos, and I'd say, Pam, you got to see Chuck do these videos. He does a fantastic job going through the coach, and I said he just does such a good job of
very natural.
The overall coach and the components of the coach, and he also gives some personal insight into things, and as an end consumer, that's invaluable to have that type of information and feedback, because there's a surface level of knowledge, and then there's that intimate knowledge. And when you can get to that intimate knowledge, that probably is more than likely why IWS is a world-class service provider. So that was a big deal. And I said to Pam, I want to do business with IWS. And quite honestly, we started doing business somewhere else. And then just by chance, I called and I spoke to Ben. And literally within 30 seconds, I felt like I was Ben's best friend. And we've talked to hundreds of RV salesmen and dealers and things like that. And to have that quickly was pretty special.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I think Chuck too makes you feel like you can actually do this. Like average Joes can take this on and be successful. You don't have to be this professional RV owner. IWS is going to help you along the way, learn the ropes and figure out what you're doing.
Yeah, but I want to add to that, with the whole fact that IWS is there to support you. And from what I'm seeing, and I think the customer service is world class from what I'm seeing and experiencing. And as we go down the road, you know, we're very glad that we're partnered with IWS. Yeah. Yep. Well, I'm the kind of guy that, you know, struggles to find the right end of the hammer. So part of what we're doing and part of why we went with Renegade was because we felt that they built a very quality coach. We've heard that numerous times throughout the years that we've been, you know, researching and getting to this point. So as far as the warranty work goes, we felt that Renegade is going to be a strong coach, you know, built strong, built to last. That seems to be the gist of what's out in the world for people to hear and things like that. And as far as warranty work goes, and again, another reason why you would partner with IWS to be able to have some peace of mind that you can call people. And I think also to add to that, the whole fact that IWS provides an iPad with, you know, instructional videos and things like that to help you with your experience and be able to, you know, be more self-sufficient and things along that line. Plus the fact that, you know, you provide, you know, personal contact numbers to be able to call at virtually any hour of the day to, you know, ask questions and things like that. That all gives you peace of mind. And again, you know, when you make a lifestyle change like this and a big commitment such as this, that's all things that give you peace of mind. As time evolved from when we first ordered the coach, there were certain items that we felt would just make the coach that much better for our personal use. So we would just, you know, communicate. I don't even know if we were doing it by phone. I think it was just all email communication, but it was a two-way communication, obviously. And I would say, hey, you know, these are certain items that can IWS install these for us? And I would get a response very, very quickly. Yes, we can install them. You know, would you like a price quote? Absolutely, provide me a price quote, and then we would move forward. And I think we did just about everything, so that worked out really, really well.
Including changing the paint color on the outside of the coach. I mean, that was, you know, we were slated to go with one paint color, and then we're a few months in and we changed it to a different paint color, and it all worked out, but, you know, we weren't sure.
And we changed our mind for several things along the line, and IWS was more than accommodating to make those things happen. And obviously we've been in the coach now, and we've been able to experience those things, and it's exactly what we want. So yeah, very, very happy. The whole experience has just been exceptional. Yeah. And again, I look at it from, you know, who do you want to do business with? Mm-hmm. You know, and, you know, it's a two-way street. You know, IWS wanted to do business with us. We wanted to do business with IWS. Yep. And the whole experience has just been, you know, top-notch and exceptional. And it's getting hard, really, really hard to find that type of service in, you know, 2022 or even recently. So it's hats off to IWS. So. Well, I can only speak for myself.
Go ahead.
But my wow moment was when we actually, you know, walked through the doors and we saw, you know, motor coach for Pam Jessup and down Horvath, you know, and our names and, you know, where we were from and all that kind of jazz, and then a picture of our coach. And I mean, there have been, in just again, my opinion, many wow moments. You know, the whole gift basket was wow. Yeah. That was just above and beyond. I mean, that was so special that you guys put that together for us.
Yeah, seeing the rig for the first time, walking up, and I mean, just walking up to it, seeing it for the first time live, and having everything, you know, open and the TVs on, and just, you know, the lights on, and it just was so welcoming and was incredible. It was like, this is a big deal, and you guys made it a really big deal for us, and that was important. You know, this is a dream that we've been working on for years. And to see it, you know, it come to fruition, and then have you guys be excited for us and realize that, wow, this is like their dream and it's happening.
Yeah.
Like, and you're part of it. You know,
Yep.
it was cool.
Yeah,
It was cool.
Literally everybody we've met at IWS has just been so accommodating and so nice, and that's just so refreshing in this world. So yeah. It's many years of research and putting the numbers together and all that, and everything just. I mean, it was probably the worst possible time to buy a coach, in 2021. But everything just felt so right, and it was like, should we do it? Yep, let's do it. And it was kind of funny because I got an email from Ben, and I think I responded within just minutes, and it was like, yep, done deal, let's get her done, And it was just like that. And from there, it's just been, let's move forward. So. Yeah.
But literally 14 years we've been researching and crunching numbers and looking at all different rigs. I mean, Class A's, Class B's, Class C's, just it's been a long time.
Yeah.
And so maybe we overanalyzed it, but I'm so glad that we did because now we're here at this point and it feels like really right. So
we found what we feel is right for us. It might not be right for everybody, but it's right for us. And I mean, we've traveled a ton over the years, but we've typically traveled by motorcycle, so we're not going to get rained on.
Right. And, and we have air conditioning now and heat.
So we can actually take more stuff.
Yeah,
so,
right.
But,
get back more.
So we're pretty excited. So this is a whole new adventure, and it'll just lead to the past adventures that we had, and we can hopefully complement going forward.
So thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. And Pam actually was the first one to drive the coach.
Sorry. He's not bitter.
No, not at all.
Not bitter about that.
Just cheer it up a little bit.
It was really a strong play.